Today we're in the South Central Fresno community, which is part of AB 617. As a part of this AB 617 effort, one of the measures to help clean air quality is to exchange gas-powered lawnmowers for electric mowers.
This is an example of where, listening to the community, we hear what they need and work with them to provide brand new electric lawnmowers, scrapping old high-polluting lawnmowers, and bringing those air pollution reductions right into the home, right at the community level where it matters the most.
There's folks that were lined up here before the event. They know that the Air District puts on really good events that are beneficial to them personally, beneficial to the environment.
This is a great opportunity to show that small changes with the help and collaboration of government and private entities can yield public health results.